Things to consider with exterior construction. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about things that you must keep in mind when scheduling exterior systems that will keep you safe on the exterior and the interior, and things that will really enhance your planning and pre-construction if you do them well. So if you're into that, stay with us on this video. Let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. On this building behind me, we have exterior unitized curtain wall. We, the Lean Tech team, were a part of scheduling this or doing the production plan for this, and I can tell you there's a couple of key things that you always have to remember. Let me first show you something. Over here behind me, you'll see a stair tower, and the exterior stair tower is being enclosed with a unitized curtain wall. And then when you look at the rest of the building, you'll see that the curtain wall is up and being constructed. And then over here on the south side of the building, there's another stair tower, which is fairly well finished. Here's what I want to talk to you about, is that the sequence of the exterior must be placed into production zones and sequenced out to match with the interior. So if you look at it, here's your interiors, the horizontal levels, and here's the exterior, and they have to be sequenced together. So check this out. On this building, this is the first corner where they started, and they moved in that direction. Then they figured out that they would have to move on this southern exterior and really focus on that first stair tower in order to enable the rest of the cores and the interiors on the building, and that exterior stair tower would have to be second. Now, you might be thinking, hey, this is simple. No, it's not. How do we know whether to start on this corner or that corner or that corner over there? I'll tell you how. You look at the interiors of the project, you see how that wants to flow, and you look at how the exterior needs to flow to accommodate the interiors and the site work. So what we found out on this project was start here, move in that direction, head down on the southern face. That's the first stair tower, second, and then on the other side is the third. What that would do would be to enable the interiors to flow down properly. The last area would be on the other side of the building where there could be some leave out on the inside, basically comeback areas, and it worked with the site because that will be the first site area, second, and third. So check this out. When you're scheduling a building like this, always make sure that you know where you want to start exterior, interior, site. Then look at the sequence that will get the most work done from there. Then you'll see some disconnect between how you're building the interiors and the exterior. And if there's a gap, make sure that you understand the gap and that you're scheduling intentionally comeback areas for those on the inside to come up and meet the exterior once it's complete. You'll also have to do comeback rooms if you have hoists or leave outs or crane leave outs, and you want to make sure that all of that, anything that's left on the building, supports how you want to sequence the site. First area, second area, third area. So it's really that simple. Break them out into production areas, simulate them and synchronize them with interiors and site work, see if you have comeback areas, and make sure that everything works together as a part of an overall coordinated plan. Oh, here's what I don't want you to do. I don't want you to just be like, oh, we'll do the east, south, west, north. Don't just make it up. Don't just say we'll do one whole elevation. Intentionally break up zone sizes and come up with a logical sequence. And so I'm going to give you references to some other exterior planning videos that will help you out, and a formatted Canva graphic for some things to remember. If you ever need help with these, please just let us know. Our team's expert with this. But the bottom line is be intentional about the exteriors, because you want to minimize comeback areas, synchronize the flow between all phases, and you want to make sure that you're able to finish on time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. On we go.